What's up, guys?
Well, yeah. What is up, y'all? So this is Colt Loves Fishing, a new fisherman to
And
this
this
channel.
is,
Sorry, y'all. I got 3 channels actually, y'all. Florida Boy Fishing, just Florida Boy Fishing 239. And then I also have Fishing Bros 239, and I have Fishing with Levi 239. So yep, y'all. And then this guy right here,
this is the pond.
the lake.
Pond.
Lake, y'all.
Damn stone down.
Yep, y'all. So today we're just gonna be walking around, and well, this is his first video, so we're doing a video for him. My mom told me not to go down there, but I'm about to run down there and grab my pole real quick. Should I do it?
Sure.
Okay. She won't know, y'all. Alright, y'all, I got my pole. About to cast a little. Put my phone right here.
He already had pizza. I haven't had pizza today.
Wait, what?
He already had pizza today. What's up?
Nice.
Let's ask.
I don't know how I'm
I'll
gonna.
be posting on this channel more than. Probably post one tomorrow.
Yeah, y'all, definitely, because we're
In
gonna
the
have.
daylight.
Yeah, and we're gonna have a cast.
We're night fishing right now.
Yeah. Got some good old
Imagine a
night.
gator hop song. Boom.
Literally.
We're dragged in.
I don't think a gator would eat this. Look at this, yeah. Maybe I should get it up here in the light more.
I posted it up there. I would put it right here.
Oh,
Like that.
shoot.
I would put it up here.
I'm putting mine. Oh, yeah, right.
The truck is already fit. Minutes 50.
How's yours? Oh, yours.
2 minutes 44. I've paused mine at certain times.
He dragged me into the weeds.
Yeah, he drags me to the sea.
Whoa.
That was a big ass bag.
The thing jumped out the water. Oh. I could see it. It might be on still. Nah, it broke off.
Wait, Levi. Go that way and start.
You guys,
It's on him.
what did your mom tell you?
As y'all can see, I'm kind of stuck right here. Fast pulling me into the weeds. Trying to get it out. It's only gonna break my freaking line. Should I just cut the line out? I'm just gonna cut the line. I don't really need it. Line is cut, y'all. But I guess I have to see you in the next one. Obviously, thought I'd be done fishing today. That's my favorite lure. Should never tried that one on. It's good, y'all. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.